Hello guys! Picking all the books out of the bookcase is this little book lover's favorite thing to do, and now she's stuck in the books she picked. As you see, she's in trouble now. She enjoys not only picking out books but also reading. Look at this happy creature, laughing, saying something, and shouting with joy while reading. Now, this girl wants me to read it for her, so today I'm gonna read the books with her. Today's expressions are 양반다리, 의성어, 뽀뽀쪽, 치카치카, and 따르릉. If you're interested in the expressions or children's books in Korea, please watch the following video. Hello, I'm Bori, and it's Bori's Korean. As you might know, Koreans don't wear shoes in house and sit on the floor with our legs crossed like people in yoga class. This type of posture I'm sitting is called 양반다리 in Korean. 양반다리. I don't know why it's been called in this way, but I guess 양반, those in higher class in the Joseon dynasty, used to sit like this, and others couldn't do publicly even if they would in their private places. And 다리 here means legs. Books for babies have a lot of sound words in them. So, the last three words for today are onomatopoeia. What is onomatopoeia in Korean then? We say 의성어, 의성어. Actually, I heard the word onomatopoeia for the first time today, and I'm using it here, and I'm not sure I'm using it in a correct way. Anyway, in this sense, it could be a memorable day. Let's remember this word, 의성어 for you, onomatopoeia for me. I know I kiss my baby way too much every day, but I'm especially doing it with greater passion and purpose because the books we are reading are related to kisses. The titles are 뽀뽀쪽 and 뽀뽀뽀 respectively. You might know 뽀뽀 means kiss in Korean, and 쪽 is the kiss sound from lips while kissing. Every page of 뽀뽀쪽 is about a mom kissing her baby. I was doing the same so that my baby can get an idea about the word, but also I was actually teasing her to be irritated. Am I bad? Yeah, she can't finally stand my kisses and runs away. I started to feel like I won. Here we are, waving our hands, as lots of contents of baby books deal with greetings. And this adorable girl really enjoyed shaking her hand to all the alive creatures in this whole world. How friendly! Now, the story is about brushing teeth. We Koreans describe the sound and shape of brushing like 치카치카, 치카치카. And it is also used like a verb in baby talk. For example, we say, shall we 치카치카 rather than shall we brush? What about the sound of a bicycle? Bikes usually have a bell on it, and people ring it so that others can get out of their way. So we use the ringing of a bell to describe a running bike, which is 따르릉, 따르릉 in Korean. It is also described as a chord because it's ringing. Then here is a woman dancing and singing who I don't want to talk about. Please don't try to understand what she is doing. It's impossible even for myself, you know? There are some words no one can understand in this weird world. I guess the 16-month-old baby is a little bit ashamed of me. Sorry, but you have to admit that this weirdo is your mom, love. Is this too harsh to you? So I dealt with the expressions like 양반다리, 의성어, 뽀뽀쪽, 치카치카, and 따르릉. I hope you may find it useful. Have a lovely day, everyone. Bye!